You see the Mayfair is now everywhere is closed. And the shops are closed. There's no movement. There's no one is moving on the streets, you see.
Today we're following the anti-immigration protests in Mayfair, led by March and March. Business owners say that business has been slow for about a month now. And if the leaders of March and March come here on June 30th, there will be serious consequences.
If March comes here, I think there will be some serious consequences.
Apparently the drillers coming here. If it carries on like that, it's going to start affecting my South African staff. Because we can't carry on with this. You can carry on for about 2-3 months. Afterwards, it's going to start affecting their livelihood. Either short time or retrenchments, one of the two.
This is Yusuf Kasadia Hassan reporting from Mayfair. Find more on news24.com.